a series of lectures by him in Hindi, of course, and you have the AWGP English version, some given by me and given by others in AWGP South. And then there is a university which started by him. There are 5 courses. A university, what in our present day language say, recognized by the government. And 2 German universities and 1 China university is linked with it. So there are 5 courses which are important. The first one is development of health. Development health, Swasthya Nirman in Hindi it called, health management. We are not healthy. Don't you feel? Comparatively, the general health condition is okay. But are we healthy? Do you feel that you are not tired? So that science is taught in 6 months course in that university. It is known as the Deva Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya. And you can go to the web. You have the English versions of all these things. That's the first is health management. But having a good health, and if your personality is not molded, if your thinking process has not been molded, if your way of living has not been molded, so personality mold, Vyaktitva Parishkar, personality molding. Okay. Health and personality is molded. Don't forget, in few minutes I will stop the lecture, but don't forget I am talking about the fundamentals of life, breathing, and next, what I was telling? Relaxation response. That is the fundamentals. And I am driving all these things, and these you can easily get if these 2 you are aware of. You are aware of your breath, and you can respond in a relaxed way to the problems which now are giving you stress and strain. That is Gayatri. So I was talking about health management, and then I am talking about the university, Deva Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya at Haridwar. He has started it. Then I talked about personality refinement. And then we should have a family. Many people think we are talking about the physical family. No. When we talk about the family, the chemistry is a family of scientific research. Physics is a family. You understand what I mean by family? The way in which you go and think and work. So that is family management. But with all that, the culture has to be managed. Deva Sanskriti. Our culture is very, very physically oriented. We don't know how to culture our dreams. We don't know how to culture our sleep. We have to learn it. That is the divine culture. Don't think that something divine is somewhere high. It is in you. And if the divine is not in you and the divine is outside, he is of no use. You remember it. Any knowledge which is outside you is of no use. If you are an engineer, that engineering is inside you. If it is in the college or in the university with the professor, what is the use of it? If you read medicine, and if that medicine is not inside you, and you say, okay, I will just ask my professor what medicine I am supposed to give, will you go to the doctor? So it should be inside you, the culture. That is how we should cultivate ourselves. And when we talk about a culture, a Hindu culture, other cultures, it means majority of the Hindus and others behave like that. They are cultivated to think like that. So that is the 4th step, cultivation, Deva Sanskriti. And the last and the most important thing is a technique of union of all these states of consciousness, Yoga Sanskriti. What is the union? The union of the physical life with the dream life, the union of the dream life with the sleep life. And when all these 3 are linked, your sleep, your dream, and your awakening, you reach a combined state of consciousness. That is what is known as the transcendented state of these 3. And in a real science of Gayatri, we call it as Samadhi. Sama means equal and Dhi means knowledge. Equal knowledge of all these three states. And if you have these three states, if your goal is to enter into these three states, what is the fundamental difference in these three states? Your evaluation of time. Is it not? In the physical plane, all of us have the same 24 hours, whether you like it or not. But in dream state, your time sense varies. Is it not? And in sleep state, you forget about the time, or you go beyond time. Because if you are really asleep, you just don't know that you are asleep. You will only know it after you get up. And how much time you have slept, without seeing a watch, you can't tell. So these three states of consciousness are based on time. The physical consciousness is based on 24 hours. And that is why the physical plane life is based on 24 letters in Gayatri Mantra. So each letter is related with 1 hour of our daily life. And those letters, you don't think it is Sanskrit. They are embedded in our bodies. They are ingrained in our bodies. They are written in our bodies. You can see them.